A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic courtroom scene on Tuesday, Rudy Giuliani, the former mayor of New York City and once a prominent ally of Donald Trump, expressed his frustration over a federal court ruling that requires him to pay nearly $150 million to two Georgia election workers he defamed. The hearing, which took place in Manhattan, was centered around Giuliani's failure to comply with court orders regarding the surrender of his assets. Giuliani, now 80 years old, was visibly agitated as he pointed at U.S. District Judge Louis Lyman and exclaimed, "I can't pay my bills." This outburst came as the judge questioned Giuliani's lawyer about the status of various assets, including a luxury car and a high-value apartment in Manhattan. The court proceedings stem from a defamation lawsuit brought by Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss, who accused Giuliani of damaging their reputations with false claims that they were involved in electoral fraud during the 2020 presidential election. The jury in Washington, D.C. ruled in favor of Freeman and Moss, awarding them a staggering $148 million in damages. During the hearing, Judge Lyman expressed concern that Giuliani had not made sufficient progress in surrendering the required assets, stating, "Your client is a competent person. He was the U.S. attorney in the district." This remark prompted Giuliani to interject, defending his actions and insisting he had applied for the necessary paperwork to transfer ownership of the car in question. Giuliani's legal troubles have escalated since he became a key figure in Trump's efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 election. His involvement has led to disbarment in both New York and Washington, D.C., as well as criminal charges in Georgia and Arizona related to his attempts to challenge the election results. The judge's stern warning to Giuliani and his legal team highlighted the seriousness of the situation. There should be no higher priority for your client right now than complying with the court's orders. Period, Lyman stated. As the trial date approaches, set for January 16th, Giuliani's lawyer requested a delay, citing Giuliani's ongoing consultations with Trump regarding the upcoming inauguration. However, Judge Lyman denied this request, asserting that Giuliani's social calendar does not constitute valid grounds for postponement. Outside the courtroom, Giuliani conveyed his frustration with the proceedings, suggesting that the judge's background as a serious left-wing Democrat influenced the case against him. Despite the mounting legal challenges and financial pressures, Giuliani maintained that he did not regret his statements about Freeman and Moss, stating, "I regret the persecution I have been put through." As the legal battle continues, the implications of Giuliani's courtroom outburst and the judge's firm stance on compliance will undoubtedly shape the narrative surrounding this high-profile case. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.